Hey folks, Kurt at Electronic Solutions again, makers of AutoFeed Plus, the inventor of reversing digital controllers for tree chippers. Here it is. It's been the same all these years. It hasn't changed. Same part number. Does the same thing. It works perfect. Any gas, diesel, or a COIL engine. You get the AutoFeed Plus, the mounting bracket, the nuts, the machine side harness, the rubber gasket, the programming guide. Oh, you get free technical help on the phone with me too all the time. That's invaluable. Send a postal money order to P.O. Box 496, Harrison, Michigan 48625. I'll do this on a limited basis. Online we offer them for $2.99 right now. If you send me a postal money order only, $210. Make the check payable to Kurt, K-U-R-T, Snyder, S-N-I-D-E-R. Special offer only, $210. P.O. Box 496, Harrison, Michigan 48625. And if you need other items like the remote controls that I make for machinery, you can contact me about that too. Either email me or call me, 989-330-5086. Have a good day. Bye.